All right, so now we're going to set a shipping policy. So if your item was shipped from the US, for the shipping policy name, you can name it Ship from US. You may also add a policy description and of course set as default shipping policy. So here you will select the carrier company or the shipping company that you use, and of course the number of days it takes for the item to get to your buyer. So once you have selected your services, over on the right side you have the cost, which is the shipping cost, and of course each additional. So this is if your buyer has chosen to buy from you more than one item. Or you can offer your buyer free shipping. Now let's move on to handling time. So here you can go ahead and select your handling time in this dropdown. For this example, I'm going to go ahead and select 3 business days. So this means that within 3 business days, I need to ship this item to my buyer. So here is the international shipping, and you may select your option once you choose the drop down. So you can select flat, which is the same cost to all buyers. And then you can choose where you ship to. So you can go ahead and select the drop down and then select worldwide, choose custom location or Canada. For this example, let's go ahead with worldwide. And for my services, I am going to select expedited international shipping. And then for the cost, for example, it's $29. And then for each additional item that the buyer decides to buy from you, we can put in $9. Next, let's talk about shipping rate tables. And then you can apply domestic shipping rate table, or you can apply international shipping rate table. Let's go ahead and create a rate table. And this is because you may charge your buyers different rates. So this all depends on the state and of course your shipping company. And if all of the same rates apply to every state, then you can just ignore the shipping rate tables. And lastly, you can create an exclusion list where you exclude shipping locations. So here you basically choose which country you are not shipping to. After you have selected all of the countries that you do not wish to ship to, you just go ahead and click apply. And that's all for the shipping policy. Once you are done, go to the bottom and click save.